Join me as I take on the challenge of eating only healthy fats for a whole week to see if it really boosts my collagen in 2025. Collagen is basically the secret to glowing, youthful skin. It's the most abundant protein in our bodies and provides structure to our skin, hair, and nails. But as we age, our collagen production naturally decreases, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a loss of skin elasticity. What if I told you that incorporating healthy fats into your diet could significantly improve collagen synthesis? For years, we've been told that all fats are bad for us, but that's simply not true. The truth is, there are healthy fats and unhealthy fats. Unhealthy fats, like trans fats and excessive saturated fats, can wreak havoc on our skin and overall health. But when we cut out all fats, we are also cutting out essential nutrients that our skin needs to thrive. This misconception can lead to poor skin health and reduced collagen levels. We've been misled into thinking that eating fat will make us fat, but that's not the whole story. In reality, healthy fats play a crucial role in hormone production, brain function, and, you guessed it, collagen production. When we don't consume enough healthy fats, our skin can become dull, dry, and less resilient. It's all about balance and choosing the right types of fats. Healthy fats are essential for absorbing vitamins and minerals, and they provide energy for our cells. Without them, our skin can become weak and fragile. By incorporating healthy fats into our diet, we can support our skin's natural barrier function and promote collagen production. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of our skin health. So, what are these miracle working fats? Omega-3 fatty acids are a great place to start. Found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts, these fats have potent anti-inflammatory properties that support skin health and collagen production. Avocados are another rich source of healthy fats, packed with vitamins C and A, which help to protect our skin from damage. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also rich in omega-3s and fiber, making them a great addition to our daily diet. And let's not forget about olive oil, rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. It's perfect for cooking and dressings. By incorporating these foods into our meals, we can support our skin's health and collagen production. The benefits of consuming healthy fats for flawless skin are backed by science. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can improve skin elasticity and hydration, while reducing inflammation. Experts agree that a diet rich in healthy fats is essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Incorporating healthy fats into our diet can have a significant impact on our skin health. By supporting collagen production and reducing inflammation, we can achieve a more radiant and youthful complexion. The science is clear: healthy fats are essential for flawless skin. In summary, healthy fats are essential for collagen production and overall skin health. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods, avocados, and olive oil into our diet, we can support our skin's natural barrier function and promote collagen production. If you are as excited as I am about the benefits of healthy fats for collagen, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other video on skincare tips for more insights on achieving glowing, healthy skin.